Jennifer Kajotia. I am a certified business communication and soft skills trainer. I have had the privilege of conducting sessions at MCTA which were related to communication and professional development. The Diploma program in communication at MCTA focuses on developing skills for communicating in a corporate environment. Back then, the focus was primarily on technical know-how. However, things have evolved and there's a major emphasis on communication skills. Hence, a digital marketer not only needs to have his technical expertise but also strong communication, presentation and public speaking skills, because these skills will definitely give impactful results. The communication program at MCTA covers spoken English, business writing skills, presentation skills, public speaking skills, soft skills and interview skills. By integrating advanced communication skills with digital marketing proficiency, we at MCTA aim to produce professionals who can lead confidently and collaborate effectively in today's dynamic digital landscape. Thank you.